prepared an speech. Huwag kayong mag-alala, 1 page lang ito eh, para wala lang akong makalimutan. Everybody listen. As we gather here today to celebrate the holy birthday of baby Jesus, may the Heavenly Father bless us all. The activities we are about to undertake, may He give joy and peace as we commemorate the holiest day in the universe. Before I welcome everybody, allow me to express my heartfelt recognition to the lifeblood of our company, the entire working force, and that's all of you guys. The entire working force who have been untiringly and honestly performing their tasks to assure a job well done. A recognition and appreciation to all. Please stand up, all DSRs. Please stand up, all DSRs. Next, for their dedication in executing their work and mothering their sleepless nights, exhaustion to perform their everyday work routines, making sure that before the break of dawn, they are already attending to their jobs, which is giving the most excellent service, delivering our products to our valued customer. DSR, have a round of applause for the DSR. To our site team leads, from Antipolo, Eric Vilojo. Bagong Bayan, Atoy Fortunato. From Bikutan, Johan Vasquez. From Mindiola, sino yun? Edwin Francisco. From Roosevelt, Rex Cabardo. And of course, yung OIC natin sa Negros, si Manny Villaperte. Okay? Site team list, delivery service supervisors, please stand up. Delivery service supervisors, nasan kayo? Nagpa-practice pa? For our WTLs, warehouse team leads and working team leads, please stand up. They are the people who works more than 12 hours a day and 7 days a week. To their wives who patiently understand the work routines of their husbands, and to other employees who enthusiastically support their superiors. Thank you guys. The other supports, we have the IMS, the WM and MLS encoders. Please stand up. Thank you very much, guys. For the forklift operators, please stand up. Every forklift operators there. The inventory checkers, pickers, please stand up. Thank you very much. Pickers. Do you have pickers there? And of course, the DOC and the admin assistant. Where are you? Wala yung admin assistant ko rito. Anyway. And those whom I forgot to mention, you know it already. Thank you very much, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And of course, other function, everybody here is a member of a GMA organization. As I've said before, kahit sino yung pinakamagaling sa atin, kahit ako pa yung pinakamagaling sa atin, hindi tayo makapagtatrabaho kung wala ang suporta ng bawat isa. GMA TRCI is everybody here. You belong to the organization. Okay, summarily, we have done our best. And we will still do it. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? The effort we have exerted and will exert is endless as long as we are here together. But in this very moment of gathering, let us enjoy. Cast away the darkness and exhaustion. Let us be merry and cheers for the birth of Jesus Christ. Merry Christmas, everybody. As I welcome, be ready with your cheers. Welcome to our GMA TRCI Christmas Party, the Antipolo Plan. Bagong Bayan, headed by Atoy. Ulit. Bagong Bayan, headed by Atoy. Okay, ulit. Okay. Ulit pa ulit. TRCI Antipolo! TRCI Bagong Bayan! From the south, Bikutan Sales Office! And of course, we have the Lagro Sales Office. From Mindona Sales Office. Last but not the least, Roosevelt Sales Office. Nice. I also acknowledge the support of other departments. Here are the HR group, the transportation group, yung mga FMS natin dyan, tsaka Flickr. The finance, is there an OE there? Yung OE group natin, kasama rin natin yan. Of course, yung tatay ng GMA. Yung tao na lagi kong kasama, na nagbibigay sa akin ng direksyon, may mga time na nag-aaway kami para sa inyo, pero lagi siya nandyan, nakasuporta sa atin. Though, hindi nyo siya madalas nakikita because of his busy schedule, pero lagi siyang nandyan, nagmamahal sa atin, ang ating RGM, Mario Torrento. Okay? In behalf of the senior leadership team headed by our COO, Ituso, the region leadership team, and from my family, from the bottom of my heart, Merry Christmas to all of you and I love you all. Merry Christmas.